Okay. Before any of you guys cuss me, I'm finally here with the final empty apartment tour. Now let me tell you guys, I can finally tell you guys a whole entire story of why it took so long. If you guys haven't seen my apartment shopping or apartment hunting video, you guys definitely go watch it. I'm going to link it so you guys can see the process I went through, because it was not pretty. And that's why I waited for this place. So the place that I'm currently at is actually a new development. So I put my down deposit on this place, and then I waited for a long time because for some reason JPS didn't want to pass the light on this new apartment here, so we had to be waiting months. That's why it took me months to even bring this video to you guys. But I'm so happy that I waited because the place is nice. I'm the first person that's moved into here, and it's like a new apartment building. But anyways, so that's really the reason. So JPS took like 50 million months to. But I want you guys to guess down below in the comment section which parish, okay? Which parish am I living in? I want to see if any of you guys get it right. I know a lot of you guys are like, oh my God, I want to send you something. Listen, Linda. I don't want you guys to send me anything. I really appreciate it and stuff, but I would more rather you guys like my video, comment down below, and share it. Because when you guys do all of that, YouTube actually boosts my video more, and other people are able to watch the video because it shows on their YouTube feed. So I'd rather you guys go through that route instead of buying me anything, okay? Oh, I'm not also bragging and boasting. Let me tell you guys that. I'm not bragging and boasting because this is a rental unit. This is not my house, people. I'm gonna start bragging and boasting when I actually start building. So when I start building, which I'm gonna bring you guys along with me, I'm not ever going to have my place on the main road. It's so loud. That's the only downfall of this place. Everything else I like, but this place is just loud. Okay, so I'm so happy I'm bringing this apartment tour for you guys because I'm showcasing you guys apartments, how it would look in rural Jamaica, okay? And because as you know, everyone wants to live in St. Andrew, everyone wants to live in St. Catharines. Listen, baby, we ain't living there. Also, comment down below how much you guys think I spend per month on this place. I want to see if any of you guys are actually really good. Also, comment down below some Jamaican-based brands I can shop from. That is good quality and cost effective. Anyways, I am talking a lot in this video. I'm so excited. You guys have been waiting for this for so long. So let's go into this very empty apartment tour. So yeah, let's get into it. Okay, come along. Have you guys guessed in the comment section down below how much I'm paying a month here? Let me know. Let me know. Maybe I might give something to someone who gets it right. So first place is my room. Let me know if you guys like the tiles. I didn't think I like the tiles in here, but you guys let me know. It's actually a little bit spacious in here. It's kind of angled a little bit weird. I wonder if you can come around here and see it. Yeah, you're just gonna. Yeah. This is actually one of the more spacious. Why is someone like yelling outside and screaming? Anyways, in my unit here, I actually have the biggest washroom, okay? Laundry room, sorry. So you guys can come in and look at it. It kind of has like a little bit of storage under here, but I'm gonna put a washer and a dryer, even though I'm not for dryers in Jamaica because it's hot all the time. But so that's the laundry room. There's nothing really for me to say, but you guys can see it. Follow me on Instagram at Annesha.Adams and like and comment under my posts and my videos. When you guys do that, in return I get more money, because that's how like social media works. When you guys comment like people's stuff, social media boosts it out more, and then other people see, and then I get more likes and comments, and in return brands are gonna want to work with me, and then I get paid more. So in here, this is the guest bathroom. As you can see, it's really small, but it has a toilet. The toilets are so small here. Like, it's so small, but it's okay. And then I have the basics. I have the standing shower. I'm so happy that we got a standing shower because I'm like, no one's trying to have any tubs here. So we have a standing shower, and then we have a cabinet and a small sink that is for like toddlers, okay? I don't know, but I'm gonna change this out so you guys can stay tuned to my channel and subscribe, because I'm going to be doing some bathroom renovations, because I'm gonna change up this and I'm gonna kind of make this a little bit nicer, but rental friendly. If you guys are liking this video so far, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Guys, comment down below during the ad breaks and let me know what you guys think so far. Let's continue. Okay, also watch the ads, because free things like this go a long way for me, okay? It really helps me. Anyway, so now we are in the kitchen. for this kitchen because it's small and there's 10 in a pack, so I got 2 packs. But I ran out, and as you can see, I need a few more, or I don't want you guys to see right now, but I had to do this tour for you guys. You guys keep on asking me. I'm gonna have to buy some more. You guys know how shipping is down here, that it takes like a while, so I'm gonna have to wait until I can get products. Let me know what you guys think about the tile over here. I was going to actually change it, like DIY it, but then I was like, you know what, it looks good with the backsplash, okay? And then I have storage here. I actually love how these look. They're modern. So I like this storage in here, a lot of that. My fridge is going to go over here. And then my stove is going to go on this side here. In Jamaica, for rentals, you have to supply your own appliances. For those who do not know. So I have to buy my own fridge and stove. Okay, so you guys want to stay tuned to watch my vlogs. If you guys want to see the updates with the apartment and moving in and all that fun stuff. I'm so excited. I just have to get a pantry because, yeah. And look, I have storage all here too. So excited. Anyway, let's go into the bedroom. Okay, so now we're in the first bedroom. So come in. Look around. But basically, it's just like this. Closet here, and kind of like this gets dark from here. And then, yeah. So this is the first bedroom. Let's go to the next room here. It's getting a little dark, but this is the bathroom in here. Bigger. This is going to be my personal bathroom. This is going to be my personal bathroom. This is going to be my personal bathroom instead of like 5 times. But again, I'm changing the cabinets. This is such a small space, like it's actually small. And water's going to go everywhere when I'm washing my face. I don't know what I'm going to do. I'm going to change off this to make it a smaller one because this hangs over, and then that. Okay, this is a bit early. Let's go to the last room. We're almost at the door. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you like Jamaica, all things Jamaican. I have that on my channel. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see my life now, living in here, and updates about this place. And yeah, let's continue. Okay, so this room. Look at the view. The view is actually really nice here. I'm actually going to be adding shelving units in the closet, so you guys can stay tuned to my vlogs to see the process of me putting some shelves in here. This room here is going to be my filming / maybe beauty room. I don't think I'm going to turn it into a beauty room, but I know for a fact it's going to be where all my equipment is, my office. Oh, so basically the office. I'm going to edit in here when I feel like it. Well, majority of the time I'm going to have all my camera equipment, all my sponsored clothing that I'm supposed to take like Instagram photos with, all my hair, everything. Just in regards to content creation is going to be stored in this room. I'm going to fix it up nice, and you guys can stay tuned to my channel to see the whole like transformation and renovation. But as you can see, it's the same exact thing. The closets again, a little mirror here, even though I'm going to line here. And let me show you guys this thing right here. There's something with Jamaica that I don't like. I'm going to talk about it. So the door. There's 2 doors in this room, and I don't like it because I couldn't turn this room into my bedroom because of the door, because I would want to put my bed on a wall that doesn't have anything on it, like no windows, no doors. And the thing down here, like the architecture, that's the correct word down here, they like putting 2 doors in a room. It's really annoying and unnecessary. Yeah, so this door is supposed to lead back out onto the veranda, but I don't need a second door to lead onto the veranda. The balcony, that's what I meant, the balcony veranda, yeah, so I find it annoying because if I had this room, I could put my bed like on that side of the wall in the middle. So this door is never going to be open. And again, look, there's no doorknob again. So this is how you open it and close it. So that's really it. Oh, that was so echoey. So now. And this side over here is going to be like the living room area. So my TV's going to go right here. My one single couch is going to go over here. I'm thinking of doing like an L-shaped couch. So let me know what you guys think. But yeah, so let me bring everything back. So I have one washroom, one laundry room, 2 bathrooms, full bathrooms, 2 bedrooms, full bedrooms, living room, dining room, kitchen. And the amenities here outside is all wish. So let me know what you guys think down below. I'm spending money and what pair should I pick. I want you guys to guess and let me know. Again, guys, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Like up this video. It's going to really help me a lot. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Or